everyone, Brad Larson, owner of Larson Properties. In this video I want to talk to you about our free rental estimate feature on our website. So what this is this is an opportunity for you to fill in the information about your home, your particular situation, your time frame, and give us the information that will allow us to run a free rental estimate for you and send those results to you via email, in addition to potentially talking you through those via phone. It's not as it may not be as cut and dry as we would like sometimes, because if your home's out in the country and there are no comparables, it might be a little bit more of a gut feel. It also depends on your situation, whether you have to rent it now or 6 months from now. Those things are going to come into play in how we would recommend you potentially price that home for a rental market. Even if you're looking for information for both, for sale and for rent, we do also do sales, so it's going to tie right in, because you might be on the fence to whether, okay, do I want to sell, do I want to rent, how do I really find out this information to make that decision, and this will help you get that information. Because if some people are potentially upside down, it might be smarter to rent for a few years, build up a bit more equity, and then they would be able to afford to sell down the road sometime in the near future. So definitely take a few minutes, fill out this particular form. We're going to get in touch with you right away as soon as possible to talk with you further about your situation and how we can assist. If you have any further questions or need to reach us quicker than just form, feel free to give us a call at 210-497-8686. And thanks for watching. Take care.